still don't see that cat. But what I do see is a fantastic, sexy looking RCF. Oh my, sheesh, damn. Yo, I'm sorry neighbors for what I'm about to do to you guys. Start up this shit. Damn. What's going on, guys? Hope you guys are doing well on this beautiful and kind of cloudy Saturday. Today we're actually going on a mini road trip, and we are actually going to link up with some friends. So I have this one friend, Colin. He just got a Honda Civic Si, and I got this other friend, Jose, and he just got a Honda Accord 2.0T. Now, apparently, allegedly, there's supposed to be an M440 pulling up. Maybe. There's no promises, but if he does pull up, we might have some action. But anyways, guys, I'm running late, and I do have to link up with Jose so that we can both cruise over to Colin, who lives like a tad bit up north. You just put up to Jose, and yo, his Honda Accord 2.0T looks clean. I think this man already has a front lip. I think he said the first day he already slammed it. So you already have a front lip on it, bro?
Yeah. I got it off of eBay because I'm not gonna lie, I scrape crazy.
I see why, bro. Damn. This is static also?
Yeah, I'm just on coils. But I'm gonna go lower though.
Yo, bro, I thought that I was slammed, bro, until I saw you. Yo, what the fuck? Wait, bro, over here, bro? I thought that I was slammed until I see his shit, bro, and he's not even on bags. That's crazy. Guys, this man is crazy for slamming his Honda Accord around these parts. Yo, I ran through at least 5 potholes on my way here. I did avoid it though, but yo, he's crazy. Yo, this man is shaving off tires because he's so low. Yo, hold on. I'm gonna just see something.
It's not bad, not yet.
Yeah, it's not too bad. You still have some space.
Yeah, it's just because when I hit a bump.
It just smacks up. But bro,
I hit a bump like every second. So
yeah, bro, this shit is freaking. This man already has like a tiny bit of camera in the back, or some tow. I mean, bro, still valid, bro. It's crazy. It's crazy. Oh shit, bro, I got some camera too. Bro. I'm not even gonna hold you, but for a car so low, this guy is moving. Yo, as in, like, I've been trying to keep up with him for so long, but like he is like, yo, he is driving that car as if it's stock height. This man's car is so low, he is just gliding over the road. This man is gliding. I don't know if you guys can see it because it's on the GoPro.
And I'm not with the fool. The ops see me, they start talking that juke. I'm black like fool. And I ain't gotta shoot. Boo-boo gonna shoot for me. I thought we was over the day. Still gotta watch these steps, stop our good shot, we throwing up big. Why you keep this game in the room? Gotta play cause I live, you know. So it's not the weed that you smoke, you know. It's hard and it's like that.
Oh shit, we got Colin in the SI. Wait. This man already has tents on it.
we got mad shit coming.
Yo, it's good, bro. You good?
Hey, you chilling?
Yeah, it was good seeing you, bro. Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Got the coils and the exhaust here, but you gotta look at those clears too.
Seats are fire. Guys, I might be wrong, but we might be hitting some back roads actually. It's been a minute since I've hit the back roads in this car. has some badass roads. Yo, I don't know how Jose is doing this in that slam the quarter. Finally, some smoother road. Okay, I wasn't bad. These things move. Under SI 2.0T RCF with a 5.0 GT in the back. Nah, versus fire though. All right, guys, so I'm actually heading back home, and I think I'm going through the back roads again. Fingers crossed I am, cause I'm trying to improve my skills real quick. right, guys, I kind of had to do a pit stop because, as you guys saw, I was running out of gas mid-run. Jose is with me in his Accord, and of course RCF is here. He's going to put gas. I already put gas, so I'm waiting right now. And yeah, so far it's been a really calm day.